Hi friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. I'm going to be preparing Rava Upma. So here I am dry roasting semolina. Semolina is about quarter cup. I constantly kept stirring this and dry roasting it for 5 minutes on very low flame. Once I got a good aroma, I reserved the semolina. Next I peeled an onion. I washed this tomato and onion. I'm going to finely chop it. I slit some green chilies, finely chopped coriander. We need split chickpeas, split black Gramdhal, Asafoetida, ghee, milk, and dried red chilli. In the same wok, I've added oil. Once the oil has heated up, I've added the Gramdhals. We'll fry it for a minute till it turns like golden in color. Then I've added some mustard seeds, allowed it to splutter. Once the mustard seeds have spluttered, I've added the dried red chilies. I just broke it in half and added it. Next, I'm going to be adding finely chopped onion and tomato along with curry leaves and slit green chilies. We need to fry all of these ingredients. Next, I'll be adding some asafoetida. It enhances the fragrance in the upma and it's also good for digestion. Next, I'll be adding some coarse salt. We'll fry all these ingredients together. Once you see the oil has started to separate, I've added some coriander leaves. We need to fry it for just a minute and then we'll be adding some water. For quarter cup of semolina, I've used about a cup of water. We just need to stir all these ingredients, cover it and allow this to cook for a minute. Once the water starts to boil, that's when you need to add your semolina. Make sure you dry roast the semolina well. It will not form lumps. So once I've added the semolina, I'm going to constantly keep stirring this because semolina will form lumps. Now once most of that water the semolina has absorbed, that's when I'll be adding quarter cup of milk and a teaspoon of ghee. This enhances the flavor and taste of the upma and it takes it to the next level. Try it this way. Once I mix all these ingredients well, I'll cover it and cook it for another minute's time. And that's it, my upma is done. It's so healthy and packed with flavors and taste. I'll be just garnishing it with some coriander leaves and I'll serve it with some sugar. I like to pair my upma with sugar. Let me know how you like to pair your upma. In Bengaluru, they serve upma with chutney and some people even like upma with pickles. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi.